Hi. This is Keel's Garage. Hey there. Welcome to our channel. If you love transforming your car's audio experience, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 best aftermarket car stereos with Apple CarPlay on the market. These innovative devices not only enhance your music and calls but also seamlessly integrate your favorite apps, making your drives safer and more enjoyable. Whether you're looking for stunning sound quality, user-friendly interfaces, or advanced features, we've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which car stereo is the perfect fit for you. So, buckle up and get ready to elevate your car's tech game. And don't forget to check the link in the description below for more details. Number 1. Joybring Double-DIN Car Stereo with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto offers an impressive range of features designed to enhance your driving experience. With wireless connectivity for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can easily connect your smartphone via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to access navigation, music, messages, and more, all while keeping your hands on the wheel. The 7-inch Full HD capacitive touchscreen provides crystal-clear visuals and supports 1920x 1080p video playback, making it perfect for enjoying movies and music during your travels. This stereo is designed for high sound quality, supporting a 4.2-channel output that includes 4 speaker outputs and 2 subwoofer outputs, allowing you to enjoy deep bass and superior sound clarity. The built-in Bluetooth function makes hands-free calling a breeze with a clear built-in microphone, and it also supports wireless audio streaming for a seamless listening experience. Additionally, the unit includes a rear and front camera support with an HD rear camera featuring night vision and a 170 degrees ultra-wide angle, enhancing safety while reversing. Other notable features include multiple input options such as USB, TF, and AUX ports, steering wheel control compatibility, a 10-band EQ for customizable sound, and 7 color LED buttons to match your car's interior. Designed to fit standard dashboard sizes, this car stereo is an ideal choice for upgrading your vehicle's audio system. With a maximum power output of 60 W/4, this Joybring Double-DIN car stereo ensures you experience music like never before, making it one of the best aftermarket car stereos with Apple CarPlay on the market. Number 2. Boss Audio Systems BBCP 9700A car stereo is an outstanding choice for those seeking a feature-rich aftermarket car stereo with Apple CarPlay. This double DIN unit boasts a vibrant 7-inch touchscreen, allowing for intuitive navigation through its user-friendly interface. With Apple CarPlay, you can seamlessly integrate your iPhone, accessing essential apps like phone, music, maps, text messages, and more via Siri voice controls. This hands-free functionality ensures you stay focused on the road while enjoying your favorite tunes or getting directions. For Android users, the BBCP 9700A supports Android Auto, enabling real-time navigation with Google Maps or Waze and providing convenient access to music apps like Spotify and Pandora. The ability to control these features with just your voice means you can keep your hands on the steering wheel and your eyes on the road, enhancing safety during your drives. The stereo also offers various input options, including USB and SD card slots, as well as AV inputs and connections for rear and front cameras, making it a versatile choice for car enthusiasts. Additionally, it features steering wheel control compatibility, interface module sold separately, allowing for a more integrated experience. The Boss Audio Systems BBCP 9700A is equipped with front, rear, and subwoofer preamp outputs, delivering high-quality sound and the ability to enhance your audio setup further. Plus, with a robust 3-year Platinum Online Dealer warranty, you can rest assured of the product's quality and reliability when purchased through Amazon.com. Professional installation is recommended to ensure optimal performance and functionality, making this car stereo a top contender for anyone looking to upgrade their vehicle's audio system. Number 3. Nefay Double-DIN Car Stereo is a feature-packed car audio receiver designed to enhance your driving experience. With its 7-inch HD touchscreen, this stereo is compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing a safer way to use your smartphone while driving. You can easily access directions, make calls, send texts, and enjoy your favorite music all through voice commands. The upgraded Bluetooth 5.1 version ensures a stable connection with your devices, enhancing call clarity and music streaming quality. Additionally, the phone mirror link function allows seamless connectivity for iOS and Android devices, letting you display apps like Google Maps, Spotify, and YouTube on the large screen for a more integrated experience. One of the standout features of the Nefay stereo is the included HD rear view backup camera, which offers a 170 degrees ultra-wide viewing angle and night vision capabilities. This feature automatically activates when reversing, providing added safety and convenience. The product dimensions are designed to fit most standard dashboards, measuring 171 L x 65 W x 97 H M, and it includes an extra frame adapter for flexibility in installation. With a focus on sound quality, this double-DIN radio comes equipped with a built-in microphone and an external microphone interface, ensuring clear calls even in noisy environments. The ability to connect a subwoofer allows for an enhanced audio experience, making every journey enjoyable. Moreover, Nathe offers 24/7 technical support, ensuring users receive help with installation and operation whenever needed. Ideal for anyone searching for the best aftermarket car stereo with Apple CarPlay, this product is also a great gift option for special occasions. Number 4. LEX 7-inch Apple CarPlay screen for car is an exceptional aftermarket car stereo that enhances your driving experience with its array of advanced features. This 2024 newly upgraded CarPlay system connects seamlessly to your smartphone via USB, utilizing both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for a stable connection. With voice control capabilities, you can access navigation, make calls, and play music hands-free, ensuring safer driving. The 7-inch HD touchscreen provides a clear and responsive interface, making it easy to manage your smartphone's functions while on the road. The double-DIN setup not only improves sound quality but also includes a backup camera, which activates automatically when you shift into reverse, providing a clearer view for safer parking. Moreover, the phone mirror link function allows for effortless syncing with most smartphones, including iPhone XR and Android devices, enhancing usability. Designed to simplify your driving experience, the LEX car stereo makes it easy to access apps without taking your eyes off the road. It's also backed by a client-oriented customer service policy, including a 30-day money-back guarantee and lifetime technical support. The unit measures 7.05 by 4.33 by 4.05 inches and comes with an extra frame for easy installation, ensuring compatibility with most vehicles. Before purchasing, it's essential to verify that your car's dashboard opening and wiring harness are suitable, as this unit may require additional accessories for a perfect fit. If you're in the market for the best aftermarket car stereo with Apple CarPlay, the LEX 7-inch CarPlay screen is a smart choice that offers both functionality and convenience. Number 5. Hoxy wireless CarPlay touchscreen with 4K dashcam is a top contender for the title of Best Aftermarket Car Stereo with Apple CarPlay. This advanced 9-inch portable car stereo offers seamless integration with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, featuring cutting-edge voice control technology. Simply connect your smartphone to access essential apps like map navigation, calling, emails, and music via Siri or Google Assistant, enhancing your driving safety and convenience. The system includes a high-resolution 4K front camera and a 1080p night vision backup camera, delivering crystal-clear video recording and improved parking assistance. The Hoxy unit also supports phone mirror link for both iOS and Android devices, allowing you to view your phone screen directly on the stereo's display. With multiple audio outputs including Bluetooth, FM radio, and AUX, you'll enjoy clear, high-quality sound even in noisy environments. The built-in collision sensor, G-sensor, ensures that critical accident footage is automatically saved and locked, while the parking monitor function records any vibrations when the car is off, providing additional security. Installation is a breeze with its plug-and-play setup via the cigarette lighter, making it compatible with most vehicles including cars, trucks, vans, and pickups. The device also features real-time GPS navigation using popular mapping apps such as Google Maps and Waze, delivering accurate, real-time route guidance. The Hoxy comes with a 1-year return policy and lifetime technical support, ensuring that any issues with installation or operation can be swiftly addressed by their professional service team. In conclusion, choosing the right aftermarket car stereo with Apple CarPlay can transform your driving experience, offering seamless integration with your iPhone, enhanced audio quality, and a range of features designed to make your time on the road more enjoyable. Whether you're prioritizing superior sound, ease of use, or additional functionalities like navigation and voice control, there's a perfect option out there for you. Remember to consider factors like screen size, connectivity, and compatibility to ensure you find the ideal fit for your vehicle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts or any questions you may have. Share this video with friends who might also be interested, and stay tuned for more updates and reviews to help you make the best choices for your car.